Today, we're going to demonstrate how to flash the Meshtastic firmware onto the Wi-Fi LoRa 32 v4. There are a total of 4 different methods to do this, and we'll start with the first one, using the web-based flasher, which is the easiest and most beginner-friendly approach. First, connect the device to your computer using a USB cable. Next, press and hold the PRG button, then briefly press the Reset (RST) button to put the device into bootloader mode. Then, open the official Meshtastic website and click Go to Web Flasher. Once the page loads, select your target device, Wi-Fi LoRa 32 v4, and choose the firmware version 2.7.11, since the v4 currently supports only version 2.7 and above. After confirming your selections, click Flash. Your browser will then prompt you to choose the serial port. Make sure to select the correct one. The flashing process will start automatically and may take a few minutes. During this time, do not disconnect the device. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, which means the Meshtastic firmware has been successfully installed. The second method is to flash the firmware using the command line. First, go to the Meshtastic releases page and download the firmware for the ESP32S3, version 2.7.11. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file, and open a command prompt in the folder where the firmware is located. Next, enter the following command to check whether the serial port is properly detected: esp-toolchip_id. After running this command, you should see the serial port number of your device. Once you've confirmed the correct port, locate the v4 firmware file and enter the following full command. Make sure to replace the port number with the one you just found. After executing the command, the firmware flashing process will begin automatically. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. When the process is complete, you'll see a success message, which means the Meshtastic firmware has been successfully installed. The third method is to flash the firmware using Espressif's official tool, ESP32 Flash Download Tool. First, visit the official ESP32 documentation website and download the Flash Download tool. Once the download is complete, extract the installation package and launch the application. In the Tools interface, set the chip type to ESP32S3, then click OK. Next, select the v4 firmware file you downloaded earlier, and enter 0 in the address field. This specifies that the firmware should be written from the beginning of the flash memory. After that, click the COM button in the tool to select the correct serial port, and then click Start to begin flashing the firmware. The flashing process may take a few moments. Once the tool displays Download Finished, it means the Meshtastic firmware has been successfully installed. The final method is to flash the firmware using PlatformIO. Before you begin, make sure that the Meshtastic firmware development environment has been properly installed. You can refer to the official Meshtastic documentation for detailed installation instructions. Once the development environment is set up, open PlatformIO and navigate to the Project Environment panel. Select the corresponding Heltec v4 firmware project, then click the Upload button. PlatformIO will automatically compile the code and upload the firmware to your device. After the upload is complete, the Meshtastic firmware will be successfully installed on your device.